Oh, hello there, guys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful week so far. So, today I wanted to try something different. I want to change my bash shell with something else. I want to play and use the fish or even Z shell for a little bit to see what the difference is, to see how I like it. So I thought this is a good chance to show you how exactly to do that. So hopefully in this short video we gonna change our shell. Let's get to the video. Okay, first for this I will be using the beautiful Ubuntu Budgie 2404 as you can see. I wanted to try it out and test it anyway, so this is a virtual machine that I have just did. The only thing that I did after the install is of course update it. So let's get to the install first. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to install the shell, either fish or Z shell. I think I'm gonna start with the fish shell first. So you need to open up a terminal. Don't be afraid of the terminal if you are new. It's pretty easy nowadays to use it. And if you really like Linux, terminal is part of it. So in Ubuntu or Debian based, the installation of any program starts with sudo apt install. And we said we want to try the fish shell first. It's pretty simple, just write down fish. Enter, put down your root password and it should find it. Here says that the following additional packages will be installed. This is fish common and xcell. Just agree with Y, wait for the download to finish, and installation is almost done. Alright, so we already have the fish shell. Here, of course, you can start testing it right away. Just write fish, enter, and as you can see, you have the message welcome to fish, the friendly interactive shell. Type help for instruction on how to use the shell. Now you can start doing stuff regularly as on your bash and test it, see how you like the fish shell. For example, we can even sudo, and as you can see, it's already saying what we can do. Let's see, sudo apt update, for example. Oh, we have some updates. Let's go and do that. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Alright, and the upgrade is finished. We just upgraded our system with the fish shell. Awesome, isn't it? And it's pretty simple. Now to get out of the fish shell and go back to the bash, just type exit and it will bring you back to the regular bash shell. Now if you want to try and use the fish shell as a default shell, all you have to do is write down this command that I will give you. It's chsh, that stands for change shell -s, and here we need the path to the executable file for the fish shell. How we would find where that is? It's pretty simple with the which command, which fish, and it's gonna give us where the location of that executable file is. This is all we need, so let's go back to the change shell -s, slash user slash bin fish. Enter, put down your root password, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now we need to log out and log back in order to this to work. Okay, let's start the terminal and see. Alright, as you can see now, we changed our default shell from bash to fish. It's awesome. It's pretty simple, it's easy, everyone can do it. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you for today's video. Let me know what you think. Do let me know what you guys prefer as a shell, either Z shell, either fish, bash, whatever you guys like, whatever you guys using. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.